In this video, I will show you how to buy the S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers. To do this, first just go and open up the Interactive Brokers app or website, and from there you can click on the search bar. Now if you already know which one you want to buy, for example the Vanguard S&P 500, you can just type that in, or even better, if you know the symbol, you can type that in and it will then show up. So for example, the Vanguard S&P 500 in the US dollar is VOO. Now from Europe, so I want to do it in euros, I'll select the VUSA. Then from there you can go and select it as a stock, and then you will see the chart and everything else that you may want to know. And from there, what you can do is just click buy. Now for my account, I still need to request trading permissions, so my account does not have permissions to trade this contract. You can request it by just clicking request trading permissions, and from there I can now request it. But if you have already done that before, then there you can just buy it, choose how many shares you want to buy and all of that. Now here I can just select the location, so for example all of Europe, continue, and now I have those permissions. So for example, I can now here just enter the quantity in shares or in the currency that I'm buying it in. For example, if I want to buy one share, I can just enter that here. Then I can add the order types, so limit, market, stop, or any of the other ones. I'll just do a market order, for example. Then you can set a profit taker and stop loss. And from there you can set the buy order by just clicking on buy order. And then the order will go through at either the price you set it at, or for example, if you do market, if the market is open, it will just go through at market price. So that's how to buy the S&P 500 on Interactive Brokers. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.